Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss health issues that can be solved by using only turmeric. Turmeric, a spice commonly found in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. The active compound curcumin is responsible for its numerous health benefits, making it a miracle worker for the body. In this article, we will explore the various ways turmeric can benefit the body and provide detailed information on its uses, benefits, and precautions. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective remedy for reducing joint pain, arthritis, and inflammation. Curcumin inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes, which cause inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that turmeric is as effective as ibuprofen in reducing inflammation and pain. 2. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric's antioxidant properties protect the body from cell damage, cancer, and aging. Curcumin neutralizes free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and damage to cells. This helps prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 3. Heart health. Turmeric improves heart health by lowering cholesterol, preventing blood clots, and reducing blood pressure. Curcumin prevents the formation of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Turmeric has anti-cancer properties, inhibiting cancer cell growth, reducing tumor size, and preventing cancer spread. Curcumin induces apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells, making it a potential treatment for various types of cancer. 5. Neuroprotective properties. Turmeric may help prevent or slow down neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. 6. Digestive aid. Turmeric relieves bloating, gas, and indigestion due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin stimulates digestion, reduces symptoms of IBS, and prevents gut inflammation. 7. Immune system booster. Turmeric stimulates antibody production, fights infections, and reduces autoimmune diseases. Curcumin activates immune cells, enhancing the body's natural defense against pathogens. 8. Skin and wound healing. Turmeric accelerates wound healing, reduces acne, and improves skin health. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties promote collagen synthesis, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. 9. Eye health. Turmeric may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Curcumin's antioxidant properties protect the eyes from damage, promoting healthy vision. 10. Oral health. Turmeric reduces plaque, prevents gingivitis, and freshens breath. Curcumin's antibacterial properties inhibit oral bacteria, promoting healthy gums and teeth. 11. Menstrual relief. Turmeric eases menstrual cramps, bloating, and mood swings. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties reduce prostaglandins, which cause menstrual cramps and discomfort. 12. Respiratory health. Turmeric relieves asthma, bronchitis, and allergies. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in the airways, improving lung function. Using turmeric. To experience the miracle of turmeric, consume it in moderation, about 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, in the following ways. Golden milk, turmeric latte. Add to soups, stews, and curries. Mix with honey and warm water. Take as a supplement after consulting a healthcare professional. Precautions. While turmeric is generally safe, it can interact with medications and have side effects in large doses. Consult a healthcare professional before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have bleeding disorders, diabetes, gallstones, kidney stones, pregnancy, or breastfeeding. In conclusion, turmeric is a miracle spice that offers numerous health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties make it a potential treatment for various chronic diseases. By incorporating turmeric into your diet and lifestyle, you can experience its miraculous benefits and improve your overall health and well-being.